Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be programming the Kwikset SmartCode 910. So the first thing you want to do is to reset the lock. This is going to remove all the existing codes and restore the factory default settings. So you can unprogram the lock and add your own codes. So to reset the lock, the first step is to go to the interior assembly right here. Now you need to remove the battery cover. So slide the cover up and remove it. And now to reset this lock, here's a program button, so you need to press and hold it. But first, let's remove the battery pack. Hold it this way and remove it to this level. And now press and hold the program button. And now put the battery pack back. Now you need to keep holding this for about 30 seconds. So keep holding it. Keep holding it. Keep holding it. And once you hear that beep, release it. Then press again. Now wait 10 seconds. So once you hear that beep and you see a green flash here, it means the reset is complete. And now the next step is to run the door handling. This is going to teach the lock the orientation of your door to know if your door is a right or left-handed door. Make sure you don't skip this step because your lock might not work electronically if you don't run the door handling. So to run the door handling, the first step is to remove the battery pack. So hold it this way and take it up. So now go to the keypad and press and hold the lock button. And now put the battery pack back. So that's it. The door handling is complete. And now we need to add user codes. As you know, a user code is a 4 to 8 digit code that can be used to unlock your door from the outside. And this lock allows you to add up to 8 user code, and each code must have a position between 1 to 8. So if you want to add your first code, press the program button once. Now go to the keypad. Now enter your new code, 4 to 8 digits. So mine is going to be 5791. Now hit the lock button. That's it. A green flash with a long beep showing your new code is now added. So let's test the code to see. So press the lock button to lock it. And now to unlock, let me enter the code I just added. That's 5791. So you can see the code is active. So if you want to add your second code, go back to the interior assembly. And now to add your second code, you need to press the program button twice. So 1, 2, now go to the keypad. So now enter a new code. That's the second code. So mine is going to be 5533. Press the lock button. And you can see that a long beep and a green flash showing the code has been added. So let's test it again. So press this lock. Now to unlock, let's enter the code. And that's it. So the second code has been added. So you can repeat the steps to add more user codes. So up to 8 user codes. So you need to know the position of each code, because if you want to delete a code, all you need to do is to add another code in the same position to override the existing code. So let me show you how to do this. To delete a code, let's go to the interior assembly. So I want to delete the first code. So the first code is in position 1. So to delete, you need to press the program button once. And that's it. Now go to the keypad. So enter a new code. So that's to replace the first code. So mine is going to be 7799. And now press the lock button. And that's it, a long beep and a green flag showing your new code has been added. So this new code has replaced the existing code in position 1. So let's test it. Now to unlock, let's enter the new code. That's the code that replaced the first code in position 1. So 7799. So it's unlocked. So that's how to delete a code or change a code on this lock. If you want to change the second code, you go to the interior assembly and press the program button twice. Then come to the keypad and enter a new code to replace that. And then press the lock button to add the code. So that's how it works. If you don't know the position of the code you want to change, then all you need to do is to reset the lock to remove all existing codes and then restore the factory default settings. And then you can start all over again to program the lock and add new codes. So the next thing we want to do is to activate the auto lock. So this is going to lock your door after 30 seconds when it's turned on. So to activate the auto lock, let's go to the interior assembly. So right here. Now you can see this switch is right here. So you need to get a pin like this. Now you can see the lock icon. So you need to turn on this switch. So get a pin and push it up. And that's it. So now the auto lock is now on. So your door is going to lock after 30 seconds. It's going to auto lock after 30 seconds. So if you want to turn off the auto lock, you just need to get a pin again and push this little switch here down. And that's it. The auto lock is turned off. So with that, we've come to the end of this programming video. I hope this video was helpful. And if so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.